We're here today at the Intercontinental Festival City, Dubai, UAE, as we celebrate the Sui Basecamp Dubai 2025. I'm your host, John F. Dong, here in Pinoy Web3 TV, and let's explore this event together. Let's go! We can actually get our pre-merch right here. This is the Sui store. So everything na nakikita natin online with Sui, we can get it here. Yeah, so can you tell us about the Sui Play device?
So for the Sui Play device, so the spec is here, and I don't want to spread the rumors, so I just have to say it's like really, interesting device to play.
Yeah, I agree.
And our game is working smoothly here, so if you get a device, the first thing you have to do is install Super V and play our game.
Built twice. If you have like Steam Deck or ROG Ally, I guess you can really, easily get the glimpse and the grasp of this device. Pretty much, that's our experience with the Sui Play device, and of course, I'll give you an update whenever this device comes into our hands. And yeah, just make sure that you follow us here in Pinoy Web3 TV for more latest updates. Right now, we're entering the expo hall. Come with us. I'm seeing some product here.
Oh,
Can you tell us about this product?
sure. So that is our companion merch to our NFT called Rootlets. Yep, it's a really fun art project on Sui. Like the founder of Sui, Evan and Danini, they all own Rootlets.
Yeah.
And our head of growth is very creative. He really admired this hot sauce from
Hot sauce.
Taiwan. So he approached the supplier, and then we branded together with our NFT to give it to our fans. I have a YouTube channel. Please check Bitcoin Yuruhua and please follow my channel. And I have X and TikTok and Instagram too. And also, I have a Japanese crypto community. Yeah, if you are interested about Web3, crypto, and Sui too. Yeah, please check my channel.
We built this to change the way people engage and interact with NFTs in general. However, the idea is to tokenize real-world asset with a very simple steps on Sui. So what we did, we built a protocol, and we did not use the legacy contract. We built our own non-fungible token standard. For the first time on Sui, you will see a newly non-fungible token standard has been launched.
It is indeed a busy day here at the Sui Basecamp Dubai 2025. The day continues and there are lots of networking happening right now. Still, I'm your host, John F. Dong. If you have any questions or requests, please do leave it down there in the comments. And of course, follow us on all our social media accounts here again at Pinoy Web3 TV. I'm signing off.